The XC40 combines Volvo's stylish Swedish design, safety and practicality in a stylish and compact package. FK Tech here. For decades, Volvo has produced safe, simple, square cars with the letter S. Today's Volvos continue to amaze us with much safer models, but their designs are much more elegant and expressive. This also applies to the entry-level XC40 SUV, which combines a luxurious atmosphere and lively personality with excellent protection. The interior offers more space for the driver than rivals such as the BMW X1 and Mercedes-Benz GLA class. Even the cheapest version has an attractive, well-appointed interior, with the top trim looking downright luxurious. Every XC40 is powered by a smooth-moving 4-cylinder turbo engine with all-wheel drive, and Volvo hasn't used standard safety and assistance technologies. If you're looking for a greener option, an electric version is also available, but the XC40 Recharge is considered separately. What's new in 2024? Volvo give and take for 2024. The 194 horsepower all-wheel drive B4 power unit has been removed. The all-wheel drive version of the B5 will be the only choice, producing 247 horsepower from the same 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder. 2 new exterior colors have been added to the palette: Cloud Blue and Vapor Gray Metallic. The basic entry-level trim enhances the look with a bright exterior theme that adds a glossy finish around the vehicle. Additional standard equipment on this model includes wireless phone charging and keyless entry. A choice of light or dark exterior themes are available for the Plus and Ultimate models. The Plus model adds a 360-degree surround view camera, a cabin air filter and larger 19-inch wheels to the list of standard equipment. The Ultimate increases the wheel size to 20 inches and makes the turn signal standard. The Ultimate also opts for battery-powered LED headlights on the XC40. Engine, transmission and performance. All 2024 XC40s are powered by the same engine, a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder that produces 247 horsepower and is equipped with a 48-volt hybrid system. Power is sent to all 4 wheels through a smooth-shifting 8-speed automatic transmission. On our test track, the XC40 hit 60 miles per hour in 6.1 seconds. There is nothing to complain about compact crossovers for that period. The exhaust note, on the other hand, is rough and harsh under heavy acceleration. The XC40's towing capacity, a rarity among small luxury crossovers, is 3,500 pounds. Actual fuel economy and MPG. The XC40's EPA fuel economy is 23 miles per gallon city and 30 mpg highway, but on a fuel-efficient 75-mile highway route, the compact SUV managed just 27 miles per gallon. That's not a great result considering this compared to the more efficient Mercedes-Benz GLB 250, which returned 32 miles per gallon in our test. For more information on the XC40's fuel economy, see the EPA website. Interior, comfort and cargo. Contemporary Swedish style meets fun and functional design in the XC40. The bright and airy ambience of the cabin gives it a truly luxurious feel, even in base core trim. Passenger space is spacious in both the front and rear seats. Like more expensive stables like the XC60 and XC90, the XC40's interior is functional, well-built and nicely decorated. Volvo designers took the opportunity to add youth to the interior of the Plus trims, such as textured metal trim instead of traditional wood inlays and linear air vents with floating chrome adjusters. The top model has been given a sleek look with driftwood trim and an Orifice crystal gear knob. In our luggage test, the XC40 carried 23 pieces of carry-on luggage with the rear seats folded down. Volvo has also incorporated several luggage storage features into the XC40's interior, including glovebox hooks for storing carry-on bags, a boot divider and a removable box with hinged doors. Environment. Consolation. Infotainment and connectivity. Volvo's Google-powered infotainment system is brightly projected onto a 9.0-inch touchscreen in a prominent location in the center of the XC40's dashboard. Almost everything in the cabin is controlled through this screen, but there are few physical buttons. Using the system is complex. The main menu is laid out intuitively, but the icons on the screen are too small to use on the go. Safety features and driver assistance. Volvo offers a range of driver assistance technologies as standard, including automatic emergency braking, blind spot assist and cross-traffic alert. Advanced features, including a hands-free driving mode, are optional. Automatic emergency stop with pedestrian detection as standard. Standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist. Has adaptive cruise control with semi-autonomous driving mode. Warranty and maintenance. Volvo's warranty is reasonable and 3 years of free scheduled maintenance is a nice bonus. Unfortunately, neither XC40 stands out from the competition by offering similar coverage. For year or 50,000-mile limited warranty. Powertrain warranty period is 4 years or 50,000 miles. Free scheduled maintenance for 3 years or 36,000 miles. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.